going on, everybody? Lewis, San Diego, Specialty Electric. And I wanted to talk to you about two different ways that fans could save you energy in your home. So the first one, most common for us, is DC ceiling fans like the windmill in here. DC ceiling fans, the way that they actually use the current from your home and convert it into DC energy is far more efficient, and it ultimately results in this fan in specific here taking about $11 average energy cost over the course of the year, while still giving you just under 9,000 CFM of airflow. Super solid way to overall cool down a room, right? Great way to cool down a room. Fans are that thing. Right over here is the second way that is the best for a whole house solution, which is why they're called whole house fans. Our fans are quiet cool fans here, meaning that not only do they ventilate your whole home with nice fresh air, but they do it really quiet. And they also use a fraction of the cost of AC, especially during summer months. Most of our customers who come in here tell us that through the first summer of a quiet cool system being installed, their energy bills are down by at least half when it comes to AC versus using a whole house ventilation system. What's really nice is doing things in tandem, right? Where you, let's say towards the end of the day, the sun's going down, day's cooling off a little bit, you have that nice breeze coming in, especially around our area, coastal. You turn on the whole house fan, give it about 30 minutes. Depending on the day during the summertime, you might be cold, outright cold. Close up all your windows, turn on your fans nice and low, keep your fans on for the rest of the day. Overall, you have a whole house being cooled down in two different ways, both very energy efficient, and you never really have to turn on your AC. If you have any questions on any of this stuff, give one of our showrooms a call. We're all super knowledgeable in all of these products. Go on sandiego.com, learn a little bit more about us there. And yeah, if we can help you, we absolutely will.